Hi, this is Naomi Andrick. This video is on one of the most missed problems from the week 5 checkpoint. It was 7.139, and it's just graphing a linear function in slope-intercept form where that slope is a fraction. I think a lot of people just looked at this and they freaked out because there was a fraction involved. They just skipped it, or what? A fraction. But really, you don't have to graph a fraction. The fraction just tells you how to move from one point to the next point. Both of them are points with whole numbers. So it shouldn't, there's not a lot of working with the fraction that's involved there. So this, because it's in slope-intercept form, we're going to start by finding the y-intercept. It's that 7 right there. And then we're going to use the slope, 1/4, to get the next point. So the y-intercept, again, when x is 0, y is 7. So we're going to have 7 as our y-intercept. And then we're going to go up 1 and then right 4 to get to our next point. So if I go up 1, right 4. That gives me my next point, and then I have it graphed. Now if you want to check this, of course, you can put in 0, 7, put in 0 for x, 7 for f of x. See if that makes your equation true. It does. 7 is equal to 0 plus 7. You can put this point back in, 4, 8. If you put in 4 for x, 1/4 of 4 is 1, plus 7 is 8, so that makes it true as well. So that's a little check. You want to get in the habit of checking that before you use my math lab to check it, just so that you'll know you're right on quizzes and things like that. So I check my answer, it tells me I'm right. Let's do another one just to make sure we've got the hang of it. I'm going to do a few. Here, the y-intercept would be 5. So I start at 0, 5. Now the slope is 1/2. So that tells me I'm going to go up 1, right 2. So up 1, right 2. And that gives me my second point. If I want to check it, I can put these points 0, 5 in here. 5 is equal to 0 plus 5, so that works. And then 2, 6, half of 2 is 1. So I'd have 1 plus 5 here, and 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So 2, 6 is also a solution to this equation over here. So I've checked it. I'm sure those points both make the equation true. Now I check my answer in my math lab, and it tells me I'm right. A similar one. Okay, now you try to think of, first find the y-intercept, then find the slope, then graph. So what would your y-intercept be? Okay, I hope you got 0, 7 right there from this 7. It's added on. And what would your slope be? Okay, I hope you got 1/4. So, and how does that slope tell us to move? Okay, it's going to tell us to move up 1, right 4, right there. And then I have these 2 points. Now if I want to check it, again, put them back in. 0, 7, if I put in 0 and 7, I get 7 equals 0 plus 7. That makes it true, so that's good. 4, 8, if I put in 4 here, 1/4 of 4, if you're splitting 4 up into 4 parts, that's 1. So 1/4 of 4 is 1, and then 1 plus 7 is 8. So 4, 8 would also make this equation true. Let's save it. Let's check it. Tells me I'm right. Okay. One more. Okay. F of x equals 1/4 x plus 3. Here we have a y-intercept. What would our y-intercept be? Okay, 0, 3. And what's the slope? 1/4. So I would move up 1 and then over 4 right there. So I have these points 0, 3, and this point is 4, 4. If I put them back in, it would tell me 1/4 of 4 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, so that point makes it true. 1/4 of 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3, so that point makes it true. I save it, I check it, it's right. Okay, I'm going to post a couple more for you to try, and I hope this video helped. Okay, that's all. Bye.